Hey everyone, welcome back to a video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to connect your PC or laptop to iPhone hotspot. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here what you need to do is you have to navigate to the personal hotspot, and the first one we have to set up a password for the Wi-Fi. So click on this one over here. Now for the easy convenience of mine, I have given an easy password, that is 1234567889. You can give your password as per your need. Once you set up a password, you have to tap over here at the top. Now what you need to do is you have to toggle on allow others to join. Just toggle on this. And also keep in mind, you have to stay on this page because still it's get connected on a computer or laptop. Stay on this page. Now what you need to do is you have to go over here, click on this particular icon over here. Now from here you have to first click on the Wi-Fi icon. Now click on this arrow icon over here. And right now the iPhone will be detected here. So this is my iPhone here. So click on this. Now go for connect. So if it is already, can you just type your password 1234567889. Then you have to go for next. Once the password is done, go for next. Now as you can see, it says it is connected to the Peter, that is my iPhone over here. So right now what I'm going to show you guys is that if you go back, you can see on my iPhone over here, if you check, you can see it is connected. You can see the symbol over here, that is for the personal hotspot. Right now this iPhone is connected to the laptop over here. So this is how you can set this up. That's it. Bye.